Welcome to another Speak and Grow Your Business segment. I'm Marlon Shaw, your speaking coach and trainer. Today I'd like to share with you the secret to becoming a great speaker. Are you ready for it? It's simple. Before you can be great, you got to be good. Before you can be good, you got to be bad. And before you can even be bad, you got to try. That's a quote from Art Williams, the founder of A.L. Williams and the author of the book, All You Can Do. And it's a true representation of what it takes to become great. Your willingness to try before you become a great speaker. One of the biggest challenges I have with some of my clients is that their fear of public speaking is much greater than their desire to use speaking to attract more of their ideal clients. And as their trusted advisor, my role is to let them realize that speaking is a learnable skill. It's a skill that they could develop over time as long as they're willing to try. And once they get out of their comfort zone and take the stage, it's amazing to see the transformation in their confidence. Most of them, once they get that one speech under their belt, they can't wait to get to the stage again. So if you're looking to take your speaking to the next level, I invite you to visit the website, speakinggrowyourbusiness.com, and take a look at the programs that we have available to help you. While you're there, why not register for our 30-minute no-fee discovery session? This way we could get together, have a conversation, and learn more about you and how I can help you to take your speaking to the next level. I'm Marlon Shaw, your speaking coach and trainer. Until next time, remember, when you speak and grow, the cash will flow.